I know you. I know all the facts by heart. You are an open book to me. Even from a distance, I know what you're thinking. I know when you leave, and I know when you get back. You are never out of my sight. I know everything you are going to say, even before you start to speak. Take a look behind you. See? I'm right there. Take a look up ahead of you. See? I'm there too. Whether you're coming or going, I'm there, reassuring you with my presence. I hear your response. This is too much, too wonderful. It really is too much for you to comprehend. Ask yourself, is there any place that you can go to avoid my spirit? Is there any place in heaven or on earth where you could be out of my sight? Go ahead, just try it. Climb to the sky. You'll still find that I'm right there. Go underground, I'll go with you. Fly away on the wings of the morning. Go to the farthest horizon. You can't fly fast enough. You can't run far enough. I will always find you, because when you arrive, I'm already there, waiting for you. So now you say to yourself, even in the dark, God sees me. No matter how dark the night, you will be immersed in my light. The truth is that darkness isn't a darkness to me, the light of the world. Night and day, darkness and light, they're all the same to me, no difference. You are my creation. I shaped you, first inside, then out. I formed you in your mother's womb. Before your birth, you were my creation. This truth takes your breath away, doesn't it? You are my work of art, made in a marvelous way, body and soul. So worship in adoration. You are my creation. My dear child, I know you inside and out. I know every little thing about you, every bone, every muscle, every cell began with me. I know exactly how you were made, bit by bit, exactly how I took nothing and, like the artist that I am, I sculpted it into something. You are an open book in my eyes, and I have delighted in watching you grow from conception to birth. All the stages of your life, infancy, toddlerhood, adolescence, and adulthood, they're all spread out in front of me. Every day of your life I have prepared even before you had lived one day. I understand your humanity, and I know that my thoughts, rare and beautiful, they are incomprehensible to you. They are countless and without number. You might as well try to count the sand in the sea. So when you rise in the morning, rest assured, you rise in my presence. I hear your cries. I know you want me to get rid of the wicked that surround you, all murderers, all those who are immoral and evil, everyone, men and women who demean my name. I know that they are infatuated with cheap imitations, impostors who pose as me, the Almighty. Dear child, I know that you love me, and your love is so great that by comparison, you loathe, detest, and despise all those godless, arrogant rebels. Those who love me are repulsed by their behavior. My enemies have become the enemy of those who love and follow me. Your heart is wide open to me. Every anything about you is revealed because you trust me. When you are tested, cross-examined by life, that's when a clear picture emerges. It reveals what you're all about. I am your God. I know whether you've done anything wrong. From a loving and gentle heart, I will direct and correct you. You can be sure that I will guide you on the road to eternal life. You don't ever have to be afraid.